I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do.
What's up guys, Lacocherong Bacolano here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, it's another day, it's Saturday and papunta kami actually sa Catmon, Cebu kasi maliligo kami ng dagat. And then yun nga, i-celebrate ko din yung karawan ko nung Thursday. And then kasama ko ngayon si Happy Putput Life. Ayan,
Kaway-kaway mga kahapi!
ayan. Tsaka yun nga, eto din yung baon namin ngayon. Ayan, baon namin yan. Ayan, yung bag ko. Eto yung baon namin.
Guys, summer trip!
Nasa likuran kami kasi para makapag-vlog ng todo. Kasi yung mga pinsan ko nasa loob. Kasama ko pala ngayon yung mga pinsan ko. And subaybayan nyo ang aming galaan ngayon. Let's go guys!
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a heart to see.
Guys, dito na kami sa Danao City. And heading to papunta na naman sa Catmon. And then medyo traffic. Kaya medyo natagalan kami. And then okay lang kasi medyo hindi na masyadong kainit. Siguro uulan. Pero hindi naman, wala naman. At least hindi masyadong mainit. Kaya okay na okay yung weather natin ngayon guys.
Now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, cause the pain is in my.
Hello guys, nandito na kami sa Ramnola Beach Resort. Finally ay nandito na kami. Nakaligo na ako ng dagat. And guys, finally after 10 years, finally ay meron ng dagat sa paningin ko.
Losing it on you's the last thing I know.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. On we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Guys, pupunta po kami sa parang may parang cliff diving ata. Ito yung lugar namin sa likod ko. Yung naliguan namin. Yung cottage namin nasa likuran. Then yun. Then pupunta po kami ngayon sa
It's been a while, it's been a while, but I'm coming out of my shell. And I never thought I would fall in love with someone just like you. And nobody here, I hear you calling out, I hear you calling out for love. And nobody here now, but I hear you calling out, I hear you calling out for love. And I hear you calling.
Yan, pabalik na kami ng cottage. Sobrang saya namin doon kasi naghihintay kami na yung hampas ng wave ay makapture namin sa picture. And then sobrang dami ng waves. And then timing talaga. Kasama ko si Connie. Connie yo. Okay, Connie. Yan, pabalik na kami at siguro uuwi na rin kami maya maya. Ayan.
With someone just like you. And nobody here now, I hear you calling out, I hear you calling out for love. Ain't nobody here now, but I hear you calling out, I hear you calling out for love. And I hear you calling, and I hear you calling, and I hear you calling, and I hear you calling.
Ayan guys, may ibabalita pala ako sa inyo guys. I-on ko na po yung membership sa channel ko. Sana ay mag-join kayo at magpa-member kayo sa channel ko. Sana naman, baka naman guys, para makatulong din kayo sa channel ko. And then yun lang yung announcement ko about sa channel ko. And advance salamat sa lahat ng mag-join sa channel ko. And then andun din nakapost kung magkano. And then yun lang, maraming salamat sa in advance sa mag-join sa channel ko. So yun lang. What's up guys? Pauwi na kami tapos na aming liguan. It's now 2:30 PM. And then kakatapos lang namin maligo. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami. Yan sana. Diyan kami bumili ng saging kanina. And then sobrang saya namin kanina sa dagat kasi after ng GCQ barbecue ay yun nga, kakabalik ko lang din ng dagat, and sobrang na-miss ko talaga ang dagat guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo